Today what I want to introduce to everyone is our unique 48-inch dual fuel pro range with the first ever built-in sous vide. Let me explain how sous vide works. What you're going to do with the type of food you want to cook is you're going to vacuum seal it in a bag with your herbs, your seasoning, whatever flavor you want to add to it. And when you seal that, you're going to fill up this well with water, and then depending on how you want your food cooked, you're going to come down here to our smart knobs and set a temperature. Once you set that temperature and it comes to that full temperature, it holds it. So your food is being cooked consistently, edge to edge, top to bottom, every single time, delivering perfect results. All of our burners are controlled with temperature setting as well as a built-in timer. It also provides a lot more flexibility with 4 gas burners that up front go to a high of 23,000 BTUs and go as low as 650 BTUs if you want to do that light simmering up front. The ones in the back, those get as high as 15,000 BTUs and they go as low as 310 BTUs. So we're able to maintain a temperature plus or minus 100 degrees on the bottom of your pan. If you want to experience Signature Kitchen Suite in our 48-inch dual fuel pro range, head to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Calabasas, Studio City, Torrance, Santa Clarita, and Costa Mesa.